Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Step by Step. One day, Gullu and his friend was walking to a street. They were both talking to each other. Then Gullu told that
Last week I designed a car shed and saved 30,000 of the client from the contractor by simply using the physical properties of steel section and actual member forces.
That's great. Congratulations.
then they saw one electric pole at the side of the street and Ramu told to Gullu.
Hey, Gulu. Let's try to analyze the electric pole also.
Yes, let's try.
After that, they both came back to home and they decided to model one 7-meter height electric pole in which in Z direction they will be having 3 cables connected and in X direction they will be having 1 cable connected. They considered one cable load as a 10 kilonewton acting on the pole. So in Z direction they considered 30 kilonewton and in X direction they considered 10 kilonewton. Now they started modeling it in STAAD Pro. They started to create a node, one node at a 0-meter level and another node at a 7-meter level since the height of the pole is 7 meters. Now they started modeling. Now they gave a supporting condition at the bottom node as a fixed support and they decided to give a member property of ISMB 200 for the preliminary analysis. Now they assigned the member property to the column and looked it into the 3D model. After seeing the 3D model, Ramu asked Gullu,
Gulu, is it correct?
Yes, what's wrong in this?
I think the depth of the I section, it should be in Z-axis.
No, it is correct only. The depth of the I section should come in X-axis only.
No, Gulu, it should be in Z-was.
No, Ramu, it should be in X.
after some time they started fighting and then they thought, let's search this concept in the YouTube. So they searched for how to decide the orientation of column step by step and they found this video. After watching it fully, first thing they did that they subscribed the channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button and they share it with their friends because they got the concept and their doubt get resolved. Now they themselves discuss the logic and they find out what should be the correct orientation of the column. Let's see how. Since they have decided that 3 cables are running in the Z direction which is producing 30 kilonewton of load in the electric pole and in the X direction only one cable is running due to which only 10 kilonewton load is getting. It means that in Z direction more bending moment will generate and it requires more bending strength. Hence, the column orientation should be such that the major axis bending of the I section should come in the Z direction. So with this logic, they resolved their doubts and came up with the solution. So guys, if you like the concept and logic of Gullu and Ramu, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of such a logical, interesting, conceptual and animated videos that will be uploaded on this channel. And thank you for connecting with Step by Step and watching the video.